Oh, hey, this tent is a pop-up cot tent, and it was sent to me from Nightcat to test out. I think this thing is super cool. It's got a ton of great features, especially if you have one of the Nightcat cots or one that's a similar size and dimension. If you don't, you can even use this on the ground, but I think it is best with the cot. Let me get out of here and take you on a tour of this tent and show you some of the features and some of the things that I really like about this cot. Okay, so as you can see here, this tent has this Rainfly awning, and I think that's super cool. You can either use just like some sticks, like I found, or if you've got hiking sticks, you could prop this up with hiking sticks. If you don't want that, it will drop down. I'll drop that down here in a second, and you can zip that up just to get a little more seal on the tent. But I like being able to have this little bit of an awning and just a little bit of a place to step out of the tent. Now, the tent is super, super easy to put together. There are 4 little pockets that just sit around the edge of the cot. You can stake it down here if you wanted to, but I think the weight of the cot is going to hold it down most of the time. And then this last corner has a zipper, so you put this corner on last, and then you can zip it up and zip it tight and just zip that last corner around the cot. So we're here in the cot. I am 6 foot tall. I got my head on one end, and you can see I got room for my feet down on the other. So 6 foot tall, no problem at all. I think you'd be good to almost 7 foot tall in this thing and super comfortable. You can see down on this end, there is a window. You can open this up. I think this strap just helps keep a little tension on the tent, but you can let that go. So we've got the one window here, and then back on the other side, there is another window just like it. So you get plenty of airflow through this tent. You've got a nice little pocket here to store whatever you've got. You got a hook here. You can string something across the top if you wanted to. And then the front door here, you can see tons of mesh there. And like I said, you can also drop down this Rainfly and close that up as well. So tons of ways you can use this inside space. And like I said, it's a one-person tent, but it feels super spacious. As I said before, this is used with or without these little sticks, tent poles, whatever have you. You just drop this out the way, drop this side out of the way, and you can see how this closes up. And if you want to open it without propping it up, you can roll it up. On both sides, there's these little toggles, and then you can open it up and just get that extra airflow through the tent. That'll do that on both sides here. Not a problem at all. So all in, I think this is a super cool tent, especially if you've got one of Nightcat's cots. I think they just pair well, really, really well together. The tent folds up into a nice bag. It's got a circle. It's got these straps that you can put it on your back as you're getting ready to hike in or out of somewhere. I don't know that I would take this on a 50-mile hike, but I think if you're just hiking into some backcountry close to a parking lot, or you're taking it camping, or you're using it like I am here, just camping in the backyard, super cool options. I think this is a really, really neat tent, and I think you're going to be really happy with it, especially if you're buying it with one of their cots, or you already have one of their cots and you want to pair with it. So definitely take a look at this one from Nightcat. I really like it. I think it's super cool. I'm glad I have it. I know my kids are going to have fun with this one camping in the yard, and we'll probably even take this one camping.